When we set out to build our trailers, we set out to build the best quality trailer at the best value with the best service. We didn't set out to compete with any other trailer in the industry. We've never worried about what someone else can do. We focus on what we can do to build the best quality trailer at the best value with the best service. At Texas Pride, that's the standard we use to measure our product, our company, our employees, and our values, the best we can be. When we came into this industry over 20 years ago, the standard for medium-duty trailers was a 5,200 and 6,000-pound axle. A 7,000-pound axle was considered a premium axle and cost twice as much. We took that same axle and mass-produced it, and within a few years, we forced the entire industry to adopt it as their standard as well. Did we stop there? Nope. We noticed a need in the industry and went to our engineers and asked if they could design an 8,000-pound axle for single-wheel application at a manageable cost. The result? A 16,000-pound rating without having to add a third axle. It's taken the rest of the industry almost 6 years to catch up, and they still can't match us on price. And we weren't content to stop there either. We sat down with our engineers again and came up with a 9,000-pound axle and produced enough volume to get a reasonable price. Texas Pride is currently one of the few, if not the only manufacturer offering an 18,000 and 20,000-pound rating in a tandem axle single wheel configuration. Founded over 20 years ago in 1998, Texas Pride has grown to become one of the largest trailer manufacturers in the country and is still family owned and operated. What started out as a couple utility trailers a week has grown to well over 10,000 trailers a year. All this now takes place on close to 250,000 square feet of manufacturing space spread out over 50 acres. The process starts by cutting, shaping, and bending raw steel with state-of-the-art computer-controlled equipment. From there, pre-assembly fabricates the major components of the trailer, such as the neck, the doors, and ramps. Final assembly of the trailer into a welded frame is done in the main fabrication plant. From there, the trailer is inspected, bead blasted, and prepared for the painting process. Now, the trailers are fully primed and painted in a new cutting-edge paint facility that is one of the largest in the state of Texas. In the last finishing stages, the trailer gets the wiring, the lights and decals, and final quality control inspection. Over 200 skilled employees are dedicated to making the best trailer and buying experience possible. One of the biggest advantages to buying from Texas Pride is buying factory direct. This ensures that you're dealing with the same company before, during, and after your purchase. You know, our friendly sales staff can help you pick out the trailer that best suits your needs. And if we don't have the trailer you're looking for in stock, well, we can custom build your trailer for you. Either way, you can be assured you're getting the trailer you want. So give us a call. We're looking forward to hearing from you.